Hi friends, welcome to codewithsugi YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about few examples for switch case. So, in one of the previous video, we already discussed about switch case in a theoretical way. So, in this video, we're going to discuss switch case with few examples. So, for that, I'm going to create a class called switch example. Okay. I'm going to take the main method. So before we get into this video, if you are new to our channel and if you are not aware of what we have discussed till date, so you don't need to worry. We always used to add all the links in the description. So please go ahead and have a look at the previous videos. So we all know switch case is replacement for if else statement, right? So I'm going to write a small program with if else and then we will see how we can convert that into a switch case statement. Okay, for that, I'm going to take a variable called integer and then I'm going to say weekday equal to 1. Okay, fine. So if weekday equal to 1, then I'm going to print like it's on Monday and then I'm going to say else if weekday equal to 2, then I'm going to print Tuesday. Then I'm going to have another one else if, okay, and I'm going to say weekday equal to 3, then I'm going to say just out Wednesday. So likewise we can have for all the days, but I'm going to say else if nothing is satisfied, then we have to give an information to the user like it's an invalid data. So I'm going to run this program and we will see what the output we are getting. Okay, so as expected we are getting the output as Monday, right? Because the weekday is 1. So first it will come here, the weekday equal to 1, so it's satisfied, so it's printing Monday. Okay, if we change 3, okay, then if we run this program, so we know, right, we will get the value as Wednesday. Fine. So the same way, if I change to some other value, okay, which is not coming under this conditions, then if we run this, obviously we will get invalid data. Okay, so this is a very simple example for if else. Okay, now we're going to see how we're going to achieve this program in switch case. To differentiate the outputs, I'm going to have something like this. Okay. So we all know about the switch case syntaxes, right? So it will start with switch and then it will have the expression. So the expression will be here, we will pass the weekday value. Then we will have the cases. So case 1, we will say sys out, it's a Monday. And then we have to break this. Okay, after that we have to write the case 2, so we need to print it's on Tuesday, right? And then we will have case 3, I'm going to say it's on Wednesday. Okay, then the value is not matched with any of the cases, then we have to say default. Okay, then we need to put the invalid data over here. Fine. So now I'm going to run this program and we will see what is the output we are getting. See, both are returning invalid data because the weekday value is 44. Okay, so now I'm going to have one positive scenario like this. So if it is 1, then both has to return Monday as an output. Fine. So now we understood, right? So this how we can easily convert a if else statement into a switch case. Okay, when reading the switch case statement, you can easily understand the logic. So that's the reason we used to say switch case will give us a cleaner code. Okay, and we need to see what are all the things which we need to take care while creating a switch case. Fine. In the switch statement, I did one small mistake. Okay, that is in case 2 and case 3, I haven't mentioned about the break statement. Okay, now I'm going to say weekday as 2. Okay, and I'm going to run this. Let's see what is the output we are getting. So see, so whenever I say 2, the if statement is giving only Tuesday, whereas switch case is giving the output as Tuesday, Wednesday, and invalid data. Now, I think you have some idea about what is the usage of break. Okay, so you have to make sure whenever you use a case, we have to use a break statement. Then only it will break the case whenever it's come inside. Okay, fine. So if I say break over here, and the same way if I say break over here too. So now I'm going to run this program and we will see what is the output we are getting. So see, for this both are giving same output. So one key takeaway from this is, so you have to use a break statement in the case, okay, then only it will break the particular case. So now I think you have some idea about why we are using break. Fine. Now we're going to see another one example, because we know, right? So in the switch case expression, we can use the primitives like integer and then char and then string. Okay, so we have discussed an example with integer. Okay, fine. To have a switch case with the string expression, I'm going to take a variable with string weekday. I'm going to say str equal to 1. So here we have initialized the string weekday str with value 1. So now I'm going to create another one switch case and I'm going to pass the expression weekday str. Okay. So I'm going to have a cases like this. I'm just copying everything here, and instead of 1 we have to say case 1. Okay. And then this is case 2. And then this is case 3. And then default. Fine. So now I'm going to run this program and we will see what is the output we are getting out of all these 3 statements. Okay. Okay. One is if else and another one is switch with integer and another one is switch with string. Okay. I'm going to run this now. Okay. See. So both are giving results as expected. Okay. Because I'm having weekday SDR as 1, so that's the reason it's returning Monday. Fine. Now I'm going to change it to 2, then obviously all 3 will give the same result. So I'm going to run this. Now all the 3 are working as expected. So this how we can pass string also. Okay, in switch case, another one thing you have to take care is it's a case sensitive one. The expression is a case sensitive one because here it will check for equals only. Okay, so the cases will check for equals with this value. Okay, so if there is any mismatch with this, then obviously it will not give the expected result. So I am going to say capital TWO. Now I am going to run this program and we will see what is the output we are getting. So see, it's giving a invalid data. Why? Because it's validating with the equals operation. The lowercase 2 is not equivalent to the one we have here. Okay, so that's the reason it's giving invalid data. Okay, so we have to be very careful when we pass the string value. Now I am going to test this with another one value. Okay, that is I'm going to say null. Okay, so if you run this program, let's see what is the output we are getting. So as expected, it's giving the null pointer exception. Okay, because we are passing the weekday string as null. So If you pass the weekday string as null, obviously it will give you the null pointer exception, because we are trying to equal the null value with the string 1. So it will give you the null pointer exception. So the another one takeaway is we have to make sure the string should not be null. Okay. So I think we have covered everything with the switch case. So you guys can try to solve the problem like whenever we pass an integer value from 1 to 12, then it has to print the months based on the numbers whichever you are passing. First try to create a program in if else, and then you can try to convert it into a switch case statement. So try to practice with that example and try to learn more about the switch case. Okay, I think we have discussed and we have covered everything about the switch case in this. Still, if you guys have any doubt, please feel free to put your comments in the comment section so that we will have a look and we will try to revert back as soon as possible. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Keep supporting us. Thank you.